Here's some elaborate statues trivia. Subscribe. What iconic statue represents the Holy Mother in Paris? Is it A, Virgin Mary, B, Liberty Enlightening the World, C, Our Lady of Notre Dame, or D, Saint Michael? The correct answer is C, Our Lady of Notre Dame. In which city is the Little Mermaid statue located? Is it A, Helsinki, B, Oslo, C, Copenhagen, or D, Stockholm? The correct answer is C, Copenhagen. What is the name of the colossal statue of a king in Egypt? Is it A, Colossus of Memnon, B, statue of Zeus, C, Great Sphinx, or D, Moses statue? The correct answer is A, Colossus of Memnon. Which structure contains a statue of Abraham Lincoln? Is it A, Lincoln Memorial, B, Mount Rushmore, C, Washington Monument, or D, Jefferson Memorial? The correct answer is A, Lincoln Memorial. Which statue in Tokyo honors a loyal dog? Is it A, Katsu the dog, B, Tama the cat, C, Nobi Nobi, or D, Hachiko? The correct answer is D, Hachiko. What statue represents romantic love in London? Is it A, Eros, B, Venus, C, Cupid, or D, Apollo? The correct answer is Eros. Which famous statue depicts a large horse and rider? Is it A, Alexander the Great, B, Marcus Aurelius, C, Genghis Khan, or D, Napoleon Bonaparte? The correct answer is B, Marcus Aurelius. What statue in Greece depicts winged victory? Is it A, Nike of Samothrace, B, Discobolus of Myron, C, Athena Parthenos, or D, Hermes of Olympia? The correct answer is A, Nike of Samothrace. Which statue in Rajasthan symbolizes the founder of a religion? Is it A, Statue of Unity, B, Jivaka statue, C, Statue of Equality, or D, Mahatma Gandhi statue? The correct answer is C, Statue of Equality. Which colossal statue once guarded an ancient harbor? Is it A, Christ the Redeemer, B, Statue of Liberty, C, Great Sphinx, or D, Colossus of Rhodes? The correct answer is D, Colossus of Rhodes. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.